might should be calculated or counted. All I really care about are these brown and frizzled zigzagging trails of chicks. Seen a slew of people dive their crunchy dirties into pools of vinegar baths, mouth-watering. Just wait till I get my paws and air claws utterly unused for this hunt. No cheers, no applause, just that quick nab of golden brown goodness. No mittens required to enjoy this tasty reward. Would even consider eating the stick if I were so inclined. For it too was dunked in boiling gold in some occasions. Maybe if my hunger was too great, then yes. A normal thing for a cat to go do, all the trouble, the planning, and the restraint, all for me to bite down and do a mere snatch. This is all into my belly, it is predestined, only to be eaten instantly, instantaneously, by a low-life snatcher like moi. But even if for only a few seconds you cannot dismiss bliss, wait for these deep-fried chicken intestines.